our coverage continues in just 2 minutes with a report from Portland. We're going to hear again from meteorologist Matt Seidel. He's been braving these snowdrifts all morning long.
So check out this picture from East Waterboro. This is Gavin, who is 4 feet 2 inches tall, not too much shorter than myself. He wanted to go outside and then saw this.
Look at that.
Not today.
A wall of snow is what a lot of people are seeing as they open up their doors to take a look outside. We're going to shovel all that tomorrow, guys. We're in it together.
Dig out day tomorrow.
That's right. We're back in 2. Stay with us.
Stay with us.